In today's video, we are going to learn about the structure of viruses. So, structure of viruses. The complete, mature, and infectious particle is known as virion. The virion are composed of a central core of a nucleic acid. This is the microscopic view of a virus, right? So, they are composed of a central core of a nucleic acid that can either be a DNA or a RNA, right? Which is also known as the genome. As you can see here, this structure is the genome, right? And it is surrounded by a protein coat called as the capsid. Here is the protein coat, right? Capsid give definite shape to the virus. It is made up of protein subunit known as कैप्सोमेयर प्रोटीन सब यूनिट से ये मिलके बनी होती है. In some animal viruses, the nucleocapsid, this structure, nucleocapsid is covered by an other membrane derived from the host cell that is the envelope. ये जो envelope है ये कुछ में तो होता है और कुछ में ये नहीं होता है. Non-enveloped viruses are known as naked virions. Animals and plant viruses may be of different shapes. We will learn about that later. अगर आप देखें तो यहाँ पे viral tegument है, ठीक है, और ये बाकी structure है virus का. ओके, सो अगर आप कुछ एग्जांपल्स देखें तो देयर आर 162 कैप्सोमेयर्स इन 162 कैप्सोमेयर्स इन herpes virus, HIV virus, 252 capsomeres in the adenovirus, right? So these are some of the examples of the virus. ये आपको hepatitis B virus नज़र आ रहा है, ये ebola virus है, ये bacteriophage virus है और ये influenza virus है. So these are some of the examples of the viruses that we know commonly. Then टाइप ऑफ वायरसेस में हम देखते हैं कि कुछ वायरसेस जो होते हैं वो पॉलीहेड्रॉन होते हैं, मतलब कि दे हैव मैनी साइड. फॉर एग्जांपल adenovirus, right? It has so many sides. This, right? So this is polyhedral virus, the adenovirus. फिर कुछ हमारे पास helical होते हैं, like the tobacco mosaic virus. This one is helical, right? इसमें डीएनए में है हमारे आरएनए है हमारे पास. इसी तरह कुछ spherical होते हैं, like the influenza virus. It's in the form of a sphere, right? Then कुछ complex viruses होते हैं, complexed और enveloped, जैसे कि bacteriophage. This one, it's such a complex structure, right, that is composed of so many membranes. So this is known as the complex type. So they exist in all these shapes and types. Then अगर हम देखें तो एक recently discovered और least understood microorganism है, that is known as the prions. The nature is very controversial. They are composed of protein only. That contain the information that codes for their own replication. All other organisms contain their genetic information inside the nucleic acid, but they are responsible for causing mad cow infection and mysterious brain infection in brain. Mysterious brain infection in a man, right? So this is how the prion look like under an electron microscope. उसके अलावा अगर हम देखें तो this is how the life cycle of a bacteriophage look like. Like see, it has, this is the capsid head, the DNA, the collar, the whisker, the sheath, the tail. This is the base plate, tail fiber, right? So अगर आप देखें तो ये कितना कॉम्प्लेक्स स्ट्रक्चर है और कितना इन्वेलप्ड स्ट्रक्चर है. अर्लीस्ट जितनी भी रिसर्चेस थी बैक्टीरियोफेजेस पे वो लिमिटेड थी टू अ नंबर ऑफ फेजेस दैट इनफेक्ट ओनली ई कोलाई. वन ऑफ द बेस्ट नोन फेज इज द टी फेज, लाइक दिस इज द टी फोर फेज. ठीक है. ओवरऑल स्ट्रक्चर को अगर हम इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोप से देखें तो ये हमें कहीं ना कहीं टेडपोल की तरह का भी नज़र आता है. इट कंसिस्टिंग ऑफ अ हेड एंड अ टेल, राइट. दिस इज द हेड, दिस इज द टेल, राइट. जिसमें जो हेड है वो एक इलोंगेटेड आपको, ये देखें, ये एक आपको इलोंगेटेड pyramidal shape का एक elongated pyramidal having two angular structures with a common base, hexagonal prism shaped structure नजर आ रहा है जिसके साथ एक straight tail attach है, right. Within the head a double stranded DNA is present, right. The structure of the phage tail is more complex, like the tail is more complex than the head. A layer of distinct protein, they form the inner tube or the core, which is enclosed in a sheath, right, in a sheath that is made up of another type of protein. On one side of the sheath is the collar, एक side पे है collar sheath के, and on the other side is the plate. Like ये जो sheath है ये दरम्यान में है, उसकी एक side पे collar है और एक side पे उसके base plate है. To end plate, six tail fibers are attached, like one, two, three, 4, 5, and 6. Six tail fibers are attached, and the volume of the phage is about, volume कितना है, 1/1000 of the host. So this is how the life cycle of a bacteriophage में bacteriophage नजर आता है, right? And now is the quiz time for you guys. So 162 capsomeres, they are present in the capsid of, the options are herpes virus, adenovirus, or bacteriophage. 162 are present in the herpes virus. So here the correct answer is the first option. The second MCQ is viruses can't be grown on. The options are artificial media, animal cell, or plant cell. We know that they always required a host cell, right? Like an animal cell or a plant cell or some other microorganism. So here the correct answer is the artificial media. They can never grow on the artificial media, right? So this conclude our today's lesson. If you guys got any queries, ask them below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching.